All right, what we have here, this is a DampRid moisture absorber. We're using it as a closet moisture absorber. And it's a great solution if you want to get moisture out of the closet if it's starting to smell musty, kind of wet and damp, things like that. And on the back here, you see the granules collecting here, and you see the water on the bottom as well. So at the bottom, it has these white granules, and what happens is the water comes in this paper side of the DampRid hang container, and it comes in and it collects on the granules, and the water it brings the granules together, and it makes the water kind of drip down into the base clear plastic area here. And you can see it's a little discolored, and I'll go over that in a second. And here's another one here. This was in a different closet. This one's clear. It still has a little bit of life left in this one, but the reason this one's yellow here is because it has some citrus colored and smelling granules on the top here. So these are a good solution if you have something you can hang them by in the closet. They really do work. As you can see, the moisture is collecting. There are also tins you can use that are more charcoal based. I hope this helps, guys.